Earning $3,000 per month from passive income can be a transformative goal, providing financial freedom and flexibility. While reaching this milestone requires an upfront investment of time, money, or both, the long-term benefits are substantial. In this video we explore ways on how to achieve this through various passive income streams, each with its strategies, tips, and potential returns. 1. Real estate investments. Real estate has long been a popular avenue for generating passive income. Here are several ways to earn passive income through real estate. Investing in rental properties involves purchasing residential or commercial properties and leasing them to tenants. The key to success in this area includes: choose properties in high-demand areas with good rental yields. Hire a property management company to handle day-to-day operations, maintenance, and tenant relations. Use leverage wisely by securing favorable mortgage terms. Depending on the location and type of property, you could earn $200 to $1,000 plus per property per month after expenses. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady income stream. Dividends are portions of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders. Focus on companies with a strong history of paying dividends and a high yield. These are companies that have increased their dividend payouts for at least 25 consecutive years. Spread your investments across various sectors to mitigate risk. With an average dividend yield of 4%, you'd need an investment of $900,000 to generate $3,000 per month. Potential earnings. Compounding can increase your returns by 1% to 2% annually, accelerating your path to $3,000 per month. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer (P2P) lending platforms connect borrowers with investors, allowing you to earn interest by lending money directly to individuals or businesses. Choose reputable platforms with strong track records and robust borrower screening processes. Spread your investments across multiple loans to reduce risk. Risk management. Assess borrower credit ratings and choose loans accordingly. P2P lending can yield 5% to 12% annually. To earn $3,000 per month, you'd need an investment of approximately $300,000 to $720,000, depending on the yield. 4. Creating and selling digital products. Digital products can generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort once created. Examples include e-books, online courses, and software. E-books and online courses. Create content in your area of expertise and sell it through platforms like Amazon Kindle, Udemy, or Teachable. Quality content. Ensure your product provides value and is professionally presented. Marketing. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO to promote your product. Depending on the niche and demand, you could earn $500 to $3,000 plus per month from a successful digital product. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. Blogging and niche websites. Create a blog or website focused on a specific niche and promote relevant affiliate products. Content quality. Provide valuable and engaging content to attract and retain visitors. SEO optimization. Optimize your site for search engines to increase organic traffic. Potential earnings. With consistent traffic and effective promotion, you could earn $500 to $3,000 plus per month. 6. Creating a membership site. Membership sites provide exclusive content or services to subscribers who pay a recurring fee. Content and community. Offer valuable content, resources, or a community that members can access by subscribing. Value proposition. Ensure your membership offers unique and valuable content. Engagement. Foster a sense of community through forums, live sessions, or Q&A. Potential earnings. Depending on your pricing and the number of subscribers, you could earn $1,000 to $10,000 plus per month. 7. Automated online businesses. Building an online business that runs with minimal intervention can provide substantial passive income. Dropshipping. Set up an e-commerce store using the dropshipping model, where you sell products without holding inventory. Niche selection. Choose a profitable niche with high demand and low competition. Supplier relations. Partner with reliable suppliers to ensure product quality and timely delivery. Potential earnings. Successful dropshipping stores can earn $1,000 to $10,000 plus per month. Print on demand. Create designs for merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or posters and sell them through print-on-demand services. Design quality. Create appealing and unique designs that resonate with your target audience. Marketing. Promote your products through social media, influencers, and SEO. Potential earnings. Depending on the popularity of your designs, you could earn $500 to $3,000 plus per month.